Yeah, I'm Pastor George. I'm giving you a very quick lesson on how to connect the chords of the chord system together in the key of F. Because he lives. Did you see that? I can face tomorrow. Because he lives. All fear is gone. This is a short one, but very helpful. If you pay attention, you are going to be blessed. Yes, I've already told you we have 5 shapes, 5 chords in the chord system you need to learn. So for instance, in the key of F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, how do I connect these ones together? So if I want to connect, say, the first shape with the second shape, then I'm going to use a very simple pentatonic approach. How do I do it? So I take a root here. Do, re, mi, so, la, do. That brings me to this. So, do, re, mi, so, la, do. And that brings me to the D shape of the chord system. Because he lives. Because he lives. I'm there. Now how do I connect the second one to the third one? The D shape to the C shape of F. Because he lives. Then I pick the note, start from the 5th note. I'm there. Then once I'm here, how do I connect this to this? Very simple. So la do re mi so. I'm there. So la do re mi so. Now here, the A shape and then the G shape, how do I connect them together? So simple. Because he lives, I'm there. So la do re mi so. So la do re mi so. So la do re mi so. Now how do I connect this back to the first shape? The same thing. So la do re mi so. This is beautiful. And with these ideas, you can play and play without stopping. You will not be tired. So you can navigate from here to here. Because he lives. 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 In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it now. Give me a call wherever you are on this continent. It's possible. And don't forget to like it. Leave your comment and share this video to bless somebody else with. I'm coming back to you again. When? Soon.